Okay, you guys, it is time to unbox January's IPSY and BoxyCharm. It is literally one day before the end of the month, and these are for January because military mail takes forever. So you guys, we are going to unbox Glam Bag, and I think it's BoxyCharm because I think Icon Box is February or March. But before we jump into it, you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I got in the mail from IPSY and BoxyCharm, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I love to start out with my IPSY, and we have the little envelope. Both sides of this have my mailing address on it, so there's just no side that is protected from this. All right, there is always a little bag of some sort, and then it looks like something didn't make it in the bag. What is this? This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray 16-hour Invisible Hydrating Setting Spray. Alcohol free. I don't think I've ever tried this one before. I mean, it says hydrating, and I don't usually use a hydrating type of setting spray. I want something that's going to mattify it down or just make it waterproof. Interesting. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I'm gonna try this out or give it to somebody else or put it in the giveaway. Now, let's see. Maybe there is information in here. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little envelope. Let's see. There is a little card. So this one is a clean slate. Oh, start the year with a clean slate. Welcome to the year 2025, where living in the moment calls for a return to the basics, only better than ever. Okay, so we have some details. So the setting spray, this is just a travel size. Full size is MSRP, retails for $21. Okay, nice. We're off to a good start. I'll try it out. We'll see. If I'm not a fan of it, I've got friends that I'm sure would like it. I'm intrigued because right now I've got two that are on my table. I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush and then the Makeup by Mario. Two really good setting sprays. So I don't, I'm torn. Do I need it? Okay, we have the YC collection, the Sela eye palette. This retails for $26. Ooh, it's a really pretty color story. So you got the minty greens, you got some really pretty pale pinks, some neutral brown shades, and then it looks like there's two shimmers. One is more of a champagne, and then the other is kind of a mint green. This could be a lot of fun. We'll have to try this out. We have Lily Fan Probiotic Recovery Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $68. So it says, improve elasticity, infuse deep, rich hydration, feel skin exhale what's tired, inhale renewed promise, energy. It's meant for all skin types and interesting. Okay. What is going on? Like, it does not want to like line up to close again. There. That's so weird. I'm getting stuck. Goldilocks Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. Deluxe sample, and this full size retails for $56. Let's see. Game changer for thirsty, damaged hair. Powerful blend of hydrating ingredients like rosewater, biotin, and marula oil. Instantly replenishes moisture, helps repair damage, and imparts incredible shine without weighing your hair down. Okay. So apply, let it sit for 5 minutes, rinse off, and then do everything else. Okay. The last item in here, we have the Illuminati Multi-Chrome Gel Liner. Okay. It doesn't say what shade. So shade is Prime. Full size retails for $21. Let's see. Is this like a, it looks like it's supposed to be like a brown to green shift. I do like the packaging. It's kind of like a soft matte. Okay, so it's got the little like pencil smudger, and then it looks like it's got the little sharpener. So you have a pointy, fine tip. And then, oh yeah, this looks like the Scarab shade. Ooh, I don't know if it's coming up on screen. So this kind of has like the brown to green shift. Interesting. Now, I don't usually total up this box because it's deluxe sample size, maybe one full size, but we are going to dive into BoxyCharm and see what is in that box this month. Okay, you guys, now we have BoxyCharm. I just looked in the app because I always have to get the details from there, and this is BoxyCharm. My next month for February is my Icon box, so I'm really looking forward to that. I love the Icon box. It's always curated by somebody new. But this one is kind of hefty. So let's see what's in there. Okay. So clean slate. Oh, first thing in here, I already have it. This is the Purlisse Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. This one's in the shade Light Medium. I brought this one with me. Where is it? So I have it right here in medium, which I really like this shade. I love how it feels on the skin. Just, it conceals the things I want it to conceal, but it's not super heavy. So this one's gonna end up in the giveaway box. I don't think I have a friend that, well, I might have someone here who wants this. The only other concern I have with the giveaway box is I don't necessarily know if it's gonna be the right shade. So I don't usually put like complexion products in there. But if I don't have a friend who wants this, maybe the person who wins the giveaway in spring does have a friend who wants to try this. So I go back and forth. But this is so good. Really one of my favorites. So this retails for $36 and it says skincare meets makeup in this lightweight tinted moisturizer that gives light coverage with a gorgeous subtle glow. And I agree with that. I absolutely love that. Okay. We have from Aloe Enzyme Facial Cleanser. Pineapple enzymes, aloe, and avocado oil. I don't think I've ever purchased anything from Aloe, but I do know from looking at, what is it, a clothing brand? They're kind of expensive. So I'm interested to see like how much this retails for. Aloe Yoga Skincare retails for $32. Achieves balanced, restored, and glowing skin with help from the Superstar Cleanser, an antioxidant-rich superberry that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for millennia. Oh, amla. I missed a word. And pineapple, full of exfoliating enzymes, help to brighten and heal your skin, while aloe helps to soothe your complexion without drying it out. Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's see, a little handy dandy cutter. It's got some weight to it. Oh, interesting. So I can see the little like particles in here. I would try and smell it, but I can't smell anything still. Like I have my moments where I think I can smell, I can't. We have from Lorraine's brightening skin pads enriched with lactic acid and plant extracts. There are 50 pads in here. Achieve bright, even toned skin with Lorraine's brightening skin pads. Exfoliating pads help restore your skin's natural glow with revitalizing salicylic acid, brightening lactic acid, pore tightening witch hazel, redness reducing lemon balm, and healing plant extracts for bright, refined, and smooth skin. There are a lot of things that this claims it's gonna do. Retails for $38. I will have to try this out. I have been using my Medicube pore pads and I really like how my skin's been looking using their skincare. So I'm interested, and it sounds like there's a little like grabber for it. We have the MZ Skin by Dr. Miriam Zamani, the hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. There's a lot of skincare in this box this month. So apparently I picked this. Let's see. Lightweight hyaluronic acid, delivering long-lasting hydration and plumping for all skin types. 3 powerhouse actives instantly increase moisture while helping to soothe and soften the skin. Skin appears hydrated, calm, and dewy. So there's snow and reishi mushroom, multi-molecular hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. Okay, this retails for $175. $175? What? For this? This better make me look like a newborn baby. Like, okay, we'll... I'm gonna have to try this out. There are some times that I receive things like this that costs almost $200. I'm just like stunned, baffled, boggled. Do people spend that much on skincare? Like, I like skincare that's affordable but does a lot of things. Anyone else? We have from Benefit the Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. I actually have, so the box is smashed. I always find it funny when that happens. But I have my little travel size one in here. Where did it go? So I brought this one with me. So I'm still using this and I've got a bunch of little like sample sizes. This is going to go in the giveaway. It is a really good mascara. I absolutely love Benefit mascaras, but for me it doesn't make sense to keep it when I have my little like travel size and I know I have another one at home. So this is going to go in the giveaway, and the mascara retails for $29. Okay, so the last thing, and this I picked, this is my beauty boost. This retails for $52. It is the Tarte Man-Eater eyeshadow palette. I have a lot of Tarte eyeshadow palettes right now, and I'm torn. Like, I love Tarte. I love their what is it? The Timeless Pore Smoothing Primer. I use that a lot. I think I have that on today. I have a couple of their like little eyeshadow palettes that I got during the holidays because it makes it easy to travel with. But like, do I need this big of a palette? I have one of the big ones back home. I didn't travel with it. This one is Unleash Your Inner Man-Eater. Man-Eater Nightfall. Okay. I do like the purple leopard. It is pretty. I'm not really trying to like touch everything because I don't know if I'm going to keep this. Like I've got a lot of these beautiful fun shades in other palettes that I picked up from indie brands. And as much as I like this, I have a big palette from Tarte. I know that I'm going to start decluttering my collection here to send stuff home. So I'm torn. Do I keep this and try it out and then it ends up being something I send home? Or is it something that I put in the giveaway that I'm going to do in spring right before I head back home for one of you guys? I'm torn. I will make a decision. Obviously, whoever wins the giveaway in spring will know what I chose to do. And the colors are beautiful, but I have a lot of these shades in other palettes. I'll be honest, sometimes, so there's part of me with my subscriptions. I get my subscriptions because I can try some things that I've really wanted to try. I get something that's like insanely expensive that I would never spend my money on, but like maybe it's phenomenal. And then sometimes I get things that I wouldn't necessarily keep or use or I have similar in my collection and then I add them into the giveaway for you guys. But I love my subscription boxes because like Perlice, I would never have purchased that myself because I was deterred from skin tints when I was younger because of the redness in my skin. I had really bad acne. I didn't buy them. But then I received it in one of my subscription boxes. I tried it. I love it. I wear it for work quite a bit because it's just light and airy. And on days that I don't want to do like a full makeup, like this is my work makeup today. This is the whole shebang. But when I want to just have like a light coverage and some powder and like out the door, I can use this little skin tint and be good to go. Or even like if I'm going to the beach or on the boat or whatever, I don't want a whole lot of makeup, but I want something to even out my redness that's like right here in my cheeks. But you guys, I might be putting this in the giveaway. I don't know. Do you guys get the subscription boxes? I know I've got a couple followers that have told me that they've picked them up. I'm intrigued to know what you got in January and did you get similar items? Are you as thrilled with your BoxyCharm or IPSY Glam bag as I am? Because between the two, there's some really good things and there's some things that I'm excited to try out. But then of course, there's also some things that I want to pass on. Let me go ahead, total up this BoxyCharm and I will be back to let you know how much it costs. But I guarantee you I didn't spend that much on this box. Okay, you guys, I totaled up this BoxyCharm and I am flabbergasted. This box totaled $362. I know, like, for sure this one, because it's $175, definitely like put it over. But what? I did not spend anywhere near this much for my BoxyCharm. I only pay a little bit, but I get a lot. Things that I wouldn't normally try out, things that I already have in my collection and I can pass on to you guys or pass on to friends. But you guys will have to let me know in the comments, do you receive BoxyCharm? Did you get something similar? Would you start a subscription for it if you just saw this video and wanted to try out some of the things that I received in my box? Let me know, put it in the comments, let's have that conversation. But you guys, that is it for this video. Before you guys leave, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.